Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing fibers and tools so you can begin immediately. Combine cotton rags or torn recycled paper with warm water. Soak for 30 to 60 minutes to loosen fibers. While those soften, set up a blender and a large tub roughly half full with water. Place the mold-in decal nearby on a flat surface and lay a clean cloth backing at hand. Once done, pulse small batches in the blender to create a watery pulp. This is the base that forms your canvas paper. Now you form sheets by suspending the pulp evenly in the tub. Agitate so fibers distribute uniformly. Dip the mold-in decal levelly, lift and shake gently to align fibers and expel excess water. This creates a consistent sheet. Transfer the wet sheet to your cloth backing, then repeat to build desired thickness. Once you have a stack, press them to remove roughly 50 to 70% of the water. Pressing consolidates fibers and prevents warping. Make sure to rotate sheets. Finish by drying and sealing the sheet so it behaves like canvas. Lay sheets flat in a warm, ventilated spot or use very low heat. Peel only when fully dry to avoid tears. Once dry, apply a sizing layer, diluted acrylic medium or traditional rabbit skin glue to reduce absorbency and add tooth. If your sheet warps or bubbles, re-wet lightly, place between blotters and clamp or press between boards until flat. This corrects shape without damaging the fiber structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.